Now next question, question number 1. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Raise your hand, those who wanted to give answer. No one. Do fast. I have made lesson plan morning, early morning, that you will labor hard, but it means you have not seen and you have not tried, so no one is giving answer. Jives, you don't know what is the right answer.
Yes ma'am.
Question is which country or countries do you
नहीं
think?
आवाज आया आपका.
Listen, which country or the
आवाज कर रहा है, क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है, रुको देखते क्यों नहीं क्लियर आ रहा है.
आवाज कट रहा है.
लिसन, अब आ रहा है? अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है? क्यों नहीं आ रहा है भाई? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप सबको? My voice is coming or not?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now question is which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, speak. I have given you chance.
Ma'am, the north refers to the countries where days are very short and longs are very long. What is the parts of northern Europe like Norway and Russia or Green?
Okay, Mohit, speak. What is your answer?
It is a country in the north region like Norway where days are short and nights are long.
Okay, now next question. How did he punish her? How did he punish her? Raise your hand those who want to give answer. Same hand, Jives and Mohit. Okay, Harsita, speak.
He punished the lady by changing her into a woodpecker that built as birds do and gathered scanty food for
Okay, now after that Mohit give answer. What is the answer? Mohit is not listening my voice, Jives.
Yes,
Or start giving answer.
मैम आवाज आपकी कट रही है.
क्यों कट रहा, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आप देखो अब आ रहा है क्या? नजदीक से बोल रहे तो रुको, वीडियो ऑफ करते हैं. अब आ रही आवाज?
यस मैम.
हाँ चलिए, अभी वीडियो ऑफ करके ही पढ़ाते, ठीक है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डज द woodpecker get her food? How does the woodpecker get her food? Now so many hands, Jives, Mohit, Kumari, Jigyasa, Selja, Harsita. Okay, now I am giving this answer to Selja. Question goes to Selja.
The woodpecker gets a food on the wood.
Okay, Jigyasa, what is your answer? Jigyasa is not speaking.
The woodpecker gets a food by
Okay, now next question. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Okay, same question I am repeating. Question is that do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Raise your hand those who want to give answer. Okay, so many hands. I am looking. Utkars, give answer. Utkars, try to give answer.
No, the old lady would not have been so ungenerous if she knew that who Saint Peter really was. Instead of that, she would have tried to please Saint Peter with her cakes for the fulfillment of her greedy desires.
Okay, now next question. Same question goes to Rahul Jha. Rahul speak. Rahul give answer. Same question.
Question is,
Question is, do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then?
no,
Then you have to give answer. What?
no, she would not
Yes.
have done. On contrary, she would. दीजिए, हम दे रहे हैं आंसर.
Okay, now next question I am asking.
No, she would not give.
Okay, now next question. Next question is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? Once again I am asking you. Same question I am repeating. Is this a true story? Which part of this lesson do you feel is the most important? Okay, Kus, give answer.
No, this is not a true story, it is a legend. I feel that the part where the old lady is changed into a woodpecker is the most important because the poet tries to imply here that every action has a consequence.
Okay, after that I am giving chance to Selja.
In my opinion, it is an imaginative story. It is a legend, and the poem has a moral. And the most important part of the poem is when the lady is punished by the Saint Peter for her greed.
Okay, after that Kus, I have asked you. Kus, तुमसे पूछ लिया हम क्या? Kus?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, now Rahul, speak answer.
It is an imaginative story. The third stanza is very important.
Utkars, what is your answer? Give answer. Utkars, speak.
No, this is not true story, it's a legend. I feel that the most important point in the poem is that where the old lady is changed into a woodpecker. This is
Okay,
because the punishment meted out to the lady teaches us the value of generosity and charity.
very good. Jivesh, what is your answer?
No, it is not a true story. It is an imaginative story, and the third last stanza of the part of the
Okay, now after that, Aditi. Aditi, what is your answer?
No,
Aditi.
this is not a true story. It is a legend. I feel that the point in the story where the old lady is changed into a woodpecker is the most important. This is because the punishment needed to the lady teaches the value of generosity and charity.
Okay, now next, Mohit, what is your answer? Mohit, your answer? Give your answer.
No, it is not a true story. The point of the story where the woman is turned into a woodpecker bird is the most important point. This is so because the punishment teaches everyone the lesson to be generous.
Okay, very good. Everyone answered very nicely. Now next question, because I have given everyone to give answer because everyone's answer is different from others. Next question is that what is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Now, raise your hand only. 4 hands. Selja, Rahul, Aditi, Kumari, Jigyasa, Mohit. 5 hands. Okay.
कहीं और जाके हल्ला करो ना, हमारी तस्वीर पहुंच जाएगा। मम्मी संभाल लो।
कौन अपने घर का पूरा आवाज़ सुना रही हो? ठीक है, चलिए जिसको बोलेंगे वही अपना खोलिएगा वीडियो, सॉरी ऑडियो. नाउ क्वेश्चन गोज टू कुमारी जिज्ञासा. जिज्ञासा, गिव योर आंसर. Jigyasa is not listening my voice. Now Selja. ओके ना, बाहर आ गई इस लगता है इस अंदर में. ओके ना, क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन यू क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज अ लेजेंड and according to you why this story, this poem is called legend. Now Jigyasa, give answer. Jigyasa, you are listening my voice? Oh, you all are listening my voice?
Yes,
Didi,
तो
the cracking sound.
Okay, Jigyasa is not listening, na? Then Selja, it's your turn.
listening.
Okay, listening, then you have to give answer.
A legend is a popular story from the past which is believed by many, but one cannot prove whether it is true or not. It usually contains a message or a moral and is narrated to children.
Okay, very nice. Now Selja, give same question answer.
The poem is a legend because the title of the poem itself indicates that it's a legend of the Northland. It's a mythical story that comes from ancient time about God on different moral learning. This poem is supernatural and the teller who was it.
Okay. Now, last question. I am giving you last question, okay? Last question is, you have to speak a legend of Northland about this poem, 10 lines. Okay, you have to speak 10 lines about this poem. Those who wanted to speak, raise your hand. Okay, now so many hands. Selja, Rahul, Aditi, Kumari, Jigyasa, Mohit. Then I will start from Rahul Jha. इंटरनेट इतना बकवास चल रहा था. राहुल झा, यू आर लिसनिंग माय वॉइस. आज इंटरनेट ठीक से काम नहीं कर, बाहर ही हमको खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा. चलो राहुल, गिव आंसर. यू हैव टू स्पीक अ लीजेंड ऑफ नॉर्थलैंड पोएम अबाउट. इन 10 sentences you have to speak. Give answer. Rahul is not listening my voice. After that I am giving chance to Selja. अभी तो हाथ उठाई थी, हाथ कहाँ नीचे कर दी. Aditi Sharma. Aditi, speak. I am counting 3. 1, 2, 3. Now after that Selja. बोलिए Selja, फिर से हाथ आ गया आपका.
The poem is the story of an old gentleman. Once Saint Peter was roaming in the Northland preaching the sacred message of God. He got angry and he came to the door of a cottage where an old lady was baking cakes. He asked for a cake and the old lady did offer him a single cake, and with this Saint Peter grew angry. He cursed her not to deserve in human form. He turned the lady into a woodpecker. Still now this woodpecker gets her food by boring the wood. This story tells us we should offer the food to a hungry man.
Okay, very good. Now, next, Aditi Sharma.
Diji, may I speak?
Who wanted to? Rahul. Okay, speak Rahul.
Okay, Diji. Once Saint Peter, who moved around the preaching, stopped by an old lady's cottage because he was feeling hungry and weak after fasting the whole day. The lady was baking cakes on the hearth. He asked her for cake. The lady was quite ungenerous. He tried to make a teeny cake for him, but as it was baking, she found it too large. She tried to make smaller cakes two more times, but each time the cake did not give any. Then Peter became very angry to see such a greedy behavior of the lady and called her
इंटरनेट ने काम
shelter
कर.
and if I to keep her
10
off.
मिनट बाद
He
आएंगे.
punished her by changing her in.
Okay, very good. Now, very simple question I have given you, that you have to speak 10 lines about a legend of Northland. Okay, now next,
Continue.
who is speaking? Rahul is speaking. You have completed, na Rahul? Selja and Rahul completed. Now, Aditi, you have spoken. तुम
Your
बोल
voice
ली.
is cracking.
Aditi, you have spoken. Rahul wanted to speak more. और बोलना चाहते हो? अच्छा बोलो, speak. Complete it. Okay, now.
I was unable to hear. Unable to hear what you.
Okay, now. Aryan, you are listening my voice? तुम अपना ऑडियो के साथ क्यों नहीं अक्सर क्लास करते हो? तो कंफ्यूजन होता है, इसलिए हम तुमको रिमूव कर देते हैं. ठीक है, जान के रिमूव नहीं करते। अब जो बच्चा ऑडियो और वीडियो के साथ नहीं आएगा तो क्या करेंगे हम। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम गिविंग चांस टू जिज्ञासा। जिज्ञासा, आर यू रेडी? जिज्ञासा इज नॉट रेडी। अदिति ऑलरेडी स्पोकन। अदिति तुम बोल ली। देन स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग।
No, ma'am.
ओके, स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग देन।
One Saint Peter stopped by an old lady's cottage because he was feeling hungry and weak after the day's fasting. The lady was baking cake on the hearth. Since he was weak with fasting, he asked her for a cake from her stove. They had to bake small cakes, but each time they seemed too big for her to give away. Finally, she baked one that was as thin as a wafer, and able to part with it, so she put it on a shelf and did not give any cake to the saint. Saint Peter was very angry with her being too selfish to leave as a human and have food, and inspired to keep her warm. He punished her by changing her into a woodpecker that would build a nest to live in, put her food in the trunk for her clothes were burned and she was left her scarlet as she flew out to the chimney. Even today she still lives in the woods and is seen by all the country school boys.
ओके, वेरी गुड। ओनली वन बॉय लेफ्ट, उत्कर्ष। बाकी सबको तो बोल ही लिया जितने लोग हाथ उठाए थे। और उत्कर्ष डोंट वांट टू स्पीक। ओके, नाउ देन दिस पोएम इज कंप्लीटेड। Very simple poem. I have told you the poet is giving a very good kind of a story, and this whole poem is ballad. We all know that in ballad each stanza is about 4 lines. Every stanza we may look 4 lines, okay? And why it is called legend? Very simple, because when we are telling stories generation to generation which is not true, क्या होता है, बहुत सारी कहानियाँ होती हैं। देयर आर सो मैनी स्टोरीज इन आवर सोसाइटी, लाइक इन भागलपुर वी ऑल आर hearing several kinds of stories, okay, like Behla Visahari and many other stories, and it's true or not we don't know.
Manjusa.
Yes, Manjusa, but we are following generation to generation. Everyone is speaking and we are listening. There is a message also, like a legend of Northland. In legend there is message also, because we are teaching our children how to spend their life, how to speak, and how to follow. Okay, like in this poem we are getting that there is a Saint Peter. Okay, Saint Peter I have already told you, a holy man. Okay, like in our Hindu culture we are saying holy man, saint, pandit. In Christian we are saying saint. Okay, Saint Peter is moving whole the world, and he is preaching, he is teaching, he is giving his sermon. Why he is giving his sermon? Because he wanted to alight in society, he wanted to give a message to society. Now he was moving and moving. Then what he has seen? A lady, and he was hungry. He wanted some cakes. Lady was making cake, but she didn't want to give. Why? Because she is saying that whenever I go to give others, I want to donate others, then what happened? It looks very big, and when we take ourselves, then it's look small. I have already told you, जैसे कि हम लोग किसी से, कोई हम लोग को 1000 देगा तो बोलेंगे 1000 बहुत कम है, लेकिन अगर हमें किसी को 10 रुपया या 100 रुपया देना होगा तो लगेगा बहुत बड़ी रकम दे रहे हैं। तो ठीक है, ये ऑब्वियसली घर में भी अगर पापा आपके लिए अच्छा लेते हैं, आते डिश लेकर आए हैं। हाँ सुनिए, डोंट स्पीक इन मिडिल वे। व्हेन आई विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चन देन यू हैव टू स्पीक, ओके? एंड इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम देन यू हैव टू रेज योर हैंड, ओके? सपोज कि कोई अच्छा खाना आया है तो आप लोग अपने अगर खाइएगा तो लगेगा 4 रसगुल्ला कम खाए हैं, लेकिन दूसरा खाएगा तो लगेगा कितना खा लिया। तो वैसे जो औरत है ना, दिस लेडी डिडंट वांट टू केक, दिस सेंट, वो जो लेडी है बार बार छोटा छोटा केक बनाने की कोशिश करती है, सोचती है हम छोटा केक उसको दे, ताकि ये जो लेडी है बहुत सेल्फिश, ही वॉज सेल्फिश एंड वेरी ग्रीडी। देन व्हाट हैपन, दिस सेंट पीटर, ऐसे भी कहते हैं जो होली मैन होते हैं, पवित्र आत्मा होते, वो कभी नेवर बिकेम एंग्री, बट व्हाट हैपन समटाइम्स सर्कमस्टेंसेस चेंजेज। जैसे कोई भी व्यक्ति क्रोधित होना तो चाहता नहीं, और वो भी जो साधु संत है वो लोग तो क्रोध में नहीं ही आते हैं, लेकिन क्या है, जो बहुत जब हम लोग भूखे रहते हैं तो हमें अपने आप गुस्सा आ जाता है, तो वैसे ही सेंट पीटर पूरा क्रोधित हो जाते हैं। एंड ही हैज़ गिवन अ कर्स, उसने क्या दिया, एक श्राप दिया उस महिला को, बोला यू आर वेरी ग्रीडी एंड सेल्फिश, नाउ you will be changed like a woodpecker and you have to go and you have to search food and you have to labor hard। वेरी सिंपल पोएम, कल भी समझाए थे, और जब भी पूछा जाए तो 10 लाइन बोलने में तो कोई परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए। ओके स्टूडेंट, टाइम इज़ ओवर and your homework is, I have already discussed question answer, you have to write question answer। Okay, now is there any problem? If you have any problem you may ask question, I am giving you 2 minutes time। अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। एनी क्वेश्चन?
Yes, Didi, I have any question.
यस राहुल, स्पीक, व्हाट इज योर
अरे मत चलो।
बोलो।
दीदी, आप जो ये द लेक ऑफ एल्स ऑफ इन जो पोयम पढ़ाए हैं वो आप पढ़ाए हैं, तो उसका सिलेबस
रुको एक सेकंड, कोई लड़की बोल रही, उसका म्यूट करने दो। चलो बोलो तो राहुल, फिर से एक बार क्वेश्चन। राहुल अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को और बोलिए।
दीदी, आप पोयम पढ़ाए ना द लेक ऑफ फ्री, तो
हाँ।
उसको सिलेबस में नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे?
ना लिसन, अकॉर्डिंग टू CBSE इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन, CBSE के सिलेबस में ये मेंशन नहीं है, ठीक है ना। तो जनरल वे में क्लास में पढ़ाएं तो आपको आइडिया है ही, क्वेश्चन नहीं आना चाहिए।
मैम ये कोई 9A के नाम से है क्लास।